गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, माई सेल्फ सोनिया मोगा। आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ कक्षा 10 के फर्स्ट फ्लाइट बुक का चैप्टर 7 ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ इंडिया। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पहले मैं आपको बता दूँ कि ये जो भी मैं आपको चैप्टर्स रीड करवाने जा रही हूँ, ये जो हैं आपके टर्म 2 जो हमारे 10th क्लास के फाइनल एग्ज़ाम हैं उनके लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाले हैं। तो इसलिए सभी बच्चे इनको बहुत केयरफुली करेंगे। ये चैप्टर 7 ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ इंडिया के इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं जिनमें से क्वेश्चन बनेंगे, इसलिए सब बच्चे इनको बहुत ही अच्छे से देखेंगे। चलिए, लेट नाउ वी स्टार्ट चैप्टर 7 glimpses of India. A baker from Goa, Lucio Rodriguez. In this chapter, the author gives us a glimpses of old Portuguese days in Goa. The writer remembers the baker, also known as Pedder. The baker was a friend and companion. He used to come twice a day, once in the morning on his sailing round and again in evening. Baker would enter with a jang jang sound with a basket on his head. The jingling thud of his bamboo used to wake up the children from their sleep. Marriages and ceremonies were meaningless without cakes and volnias. The bakers had the peculiar dress known as kabai. It was a single piece long frock reaching down to knees. Baker usually collected his bills at the end of the month. Monthly accounts were recorded on some wall in pencil. Baking was a profitable profession. The plump psyche of bakers was an open testimony to this. Even today, a person with a jackfruit-like appearance is compared to a baker. अब इसमें से देख लेते हैं हमारे कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस बन रहे हैं, वो अब आपको मैं बेटा कराऊंगी। व्हाट आर द एल्डर्स इन गोवा नॉस्टैल्जिक अबाउट? तो इसका आंसर होगा बेकर्स इन गोवा आर नॉस्टैल्जिक अबाउट गुड ओल्ड Portuguese days and their famous loves of bread. सेकेंड है व्हाट इज द बेकर कॉल्ड? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा फेडर। क्वेश्चन 3, व्हेन वुड द बेकर कम एवरी डे? व्हाई डिड द चिल्ड्रन रन टू मीट हिम? The baker would come twice a day. The children ran to meet him for sweet bread bangles. Question number 4 हो जाएगा What did the bakers wear? कबई the half pant. Question number 5 हो जाएगा Where were the monthly accounts of the baker recorded? On the wall in pencil. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट वाज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द बेकर इन गोवा? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा मैरिजेस वर मीनिंगलेस अबाउट स्वीट ब्रेड और द बॉल केक्स एंड स्वीट ब्रेड्स वर ए मस्ट फॉर क्रिसमस एंड द अदर फेस्टिवल्स। नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं Korg Lokesh Abrol. Korg is situated between Mysore and Mangalore. It is famous for its evergreen forest, spices and coffee plantation. People of Korg are very hospitable. They are brave and courageous. The Korg Regiment is one of the most decorated in Indian Army and the first chief of Indian Army, General Chariappa, was a Corgi. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है पीपल ऑफ कॉर्ग आर ऑफ ग्रीक और अरेबियक descent. According to one story, a part of Alexander's army settled here and married with locals. Next point है the dress worn by the people known as kupa is similar to kufia worn by Arabs. Cork is famous for natural beauty and adventurous sports. अब देख लेते हैं इन इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट से कौन से कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बन रहे हैं, उनका हम करेंगे। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देख लेते हैं। व्हाट इज कॉर्क? कॉर्क इज सिचुएटेड बिटवीन मैसूर एंड मैंगलोर। What is Cork famous for? Cork is famous for its evergreen rainforest, spices and coffee plantation. What do you know about the people of Cork? People of Cork are very hospitable. They are brave and courageous. Cork regiment is one of the most recruited in Indian Army. Question number 4 देख लेते हैं। The people of Cork are of Greek or Arabic descent. Explain, इसके बारे में एक्सप्लेन करना है। According to one story, a part of Alexander's army settled here and married with locals. The dress worn by the people known as kupia is similar to kafila worn by Arabs. Question number 5. What is Cork is a tourist? Why Cork is a tourist attraction? Cork is famous for its natural beauty. One can enjoy many adventurous sports like rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. One can see many animals species. It is also known for Buddhist monasteries. Tea from Assam, Roop Kumar Datta. इसके इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स देख लेते हैं। Two boys, Rajveer and Pranjal, were traveling to Assam by train. Rajveer was very excited to see the tree plantations. Pranjal's father was a manager at a tea estate in Assam. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। Two legends or discovery of tea are popular. First, a Chinese emperor was boiling water in a pot. Few twigs fell into the pot. It gave a delicious flavor. They were called tea leaves. Second है, once a Buddhist monk cut off his eyelids because he used to feel sleepy during meditation. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. These plants, when boiled in water and drunk, vanished sleep. Rajveer saw acres of tea bushes. A group of tea pluckers with bamboo basket could be seen plucking new leaves. ये जो पॉइंट्स हैं ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स लिए हैं जो चैप्टर से लिए गए हैं। पूरा चैप्टर ना करवा के आपको इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को ही फोकस करके इसमें करवाया गया है, जिनसे कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बनेंगे। चलिए अब क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं कौन से इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन से बन पा रहे हैं। Why did राजवीर विजिट असम? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा राजवीर हैड बीन invited by his classmate Pranjal. Pranjal was from Assam. Pranjal's father worked at a tea estate in Assam. Question second देख लेते हैं। What are two legends related to discovery of tea? इसका आंसर है a Chinese emperor was boiling water in a pot. Few things fell into the pot. It gave a delicious flavor. These were called tea leaves. Once a Buddhist monk cut off his eyelids because he used to feel sleepy during meditations. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. vanished sleep. Question number 3 देख लेते हैं. What did Rajveer see in Assam? असम में राजवीर ने क्या देखा? Rajveer saw acres of tea bushes. A group of tea pluckers with bamboo basket on their back were plucking new leaves. Students, ये चैप्टर हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया है. आई होप सबको अच्छे से समझ आया होगा. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ योर एग्जाम, so must do it. Okay students, thanks for watch this video. लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करते रहें ताकि हमारा उत्साह बढ़ता रहे.